How to fix Hazel Sky keeps crashing on PC. 1. Restart your device. 2. Try updating GPU driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run Hazel Sky with admin rights. 4. Set high priority. Like this. 5. Verify. Hazel Sky game files in Steam. Like this. 6. Close unnecessary background processes by WTM. 7. Check for Windows Update. 8. Update the game. 9. Exit or disable all overlay related apps or settings. 10. Switch to dedicated GPU. Like this. 11. Turn off real-time protection. 12. Disable overclocking. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ runtime as admin. 14. Set power plan to performance mode. 15. Uninstall. Then reinstall the Hazel Sky game.